Let's see if you remember what I told you. A quick way we can cut it without using the tape measure. You remember? Pull that all the way back to this vent right here. Then with a pencil. The short tongue that locks into the long tongue. We're gonna pull that out, pull it to about here, leave it a little bit of space so it can breathe. Then we're gonna come right here where that other piece overlap and we're gonna mark this board. All right, then we're gonna move it down. Make sure we still got the same space. If I had my square, really could have just marked that one and then put the square on there, make a straight line. But since I don't got my square with me, we're gonna move it over and then come over here, mark it right there. All right, now grab the straight edge and make a straight line.
Right there.
Yep. Now we know what to cut. So we're gonna turn on that vacuum so we can suck that stuff up. No dust be in the air. This is our cut for the one that go down there. Then we're gonna come here on this row. Bam, that's gonna be our starter piece of there. I gotta cut it a little bit, but that's gonna be our starter because it leaves this tongue. So we can just lock it in with the other one. All right, grab your piece. Now let's lock it in and see if it fit. Nope, before you push it down like that, always make sure it's in there. Yep, you good. Look at that, bam, perfect fit. Now, with these end pieces, take this bar right here. Good. Perfect. There we go. See that? Perfect fit. Easy, quick way to do it without using the tape measure. But now we're going to come down here on this first end and I'm going to have to cut a little piece off of there and then we're going to keep going.